bought a toy for both of us to open. And can you guys what it is? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guess slime, you are correct. It is slime.
It's D.I.Y. Fluffly Slime.
So we buy it at TJ Maxx and it was $9.99.
Yep.
So now let's open it.
Let's open this baby up. Whoa. Okay. So
guys, I tried to open it and it came out. Doesn't matter. It's supposed to be messy.
okay.
Oh my god. I can't believe it.
I did never put my slime.
How about I do mine first?
Okay. Put 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to add the contact solution for 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
Let's.
And if you want fluffy slime, D.I.Y. fluffy slime, you can just go to TJ Maxx, and if you see some,
Hold up.
yeah, I got you it because I know how to take it out.
Oh no. Oh no. Hold it.
Oh no. And put my glue and then put it in put it in there. Okay. Wow.
Okay guys, so now it's all stuck to my hand.
So why
Touch it.
oh gosh. Oh, whoa, that was amazing. Right here too. Can I try? Can I try?
Just let it stay.
Can I try? You hear? Wow, sometimes. Now I'm going to make my slime.
And you should not use that for now.
Now I'm going to put my glue. Clear glue. Look. Now I'm going to be mixing it with my hands.
Can I also mix?
Yeah. Cool. I can't see it, guys. You want it? You want to play with it? You just put your slime down. I can make yours not. This is my sister. She let me use it, and I let her use my slime.
Now, the moment of truth. Mixing them together.
No.
To see if they make bed.
No. I'm not going to mix mine up.
And also, question of the day. What is your favorite slime?
Yep.
Which slime do you wish you could have? And
Rainbow.
what color would it be?
It would be a rainbow.
Crunchy slime. And why would it be that kind of slime? What would be your favorite slime?
Yeah.
Guys, see you next time. Comment down below what do you like about this video and why do you like slime. Oh, don't forget to like this video. Can we get this video to 20,000 likes? You heard that? 20,000
likes.
Don't forget to also check out my Musical.ly, where me and my sister sometimes post videos. My Musical.ly is Juliette1141. If you see a girl with a flower crown, then that's me.
And if you saw the slime that we made from Nickelodeon, check that out.
Oh, that was a fail.
Yeah, that was a fail. I get 3 slimes.
Bye.
Bye.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Slime.
Comment down slime
And get a slime emoji or a heart emoji.
if you love slime.
Yep.
Don't forget that if you were in school 11, that you know that right now it's summer vacation.
And
Bye.
I'm